Hi, today we'll learn about modern atomic concept. Chemistry is based on the modern atomic theory, which states that all matter is composed of atoms. Atoms themselves are composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Each element has its own atomic number, which is equal to the number of protons in its nucleus. Discovery of electron. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson in 1897 when he was studying the properties of cathode ray. Thomson was won Nobel Prize in 1906 for discovering the elementary particle electron. Interestingly, his son J.P. Thomson also won Nobel Prize in 1937 for proving the wave-like protons of electron. J.J. Thomson constructed a glass tube which was partially evacuated, that is, much of the air was pumped out of the tube. Then he applied a high electrical voltage between two electrodes at either end of the tube. He detected that a stream of particle ray was coming out of the negative charged electrode cathode to positive charge electrode anode. This ray is called cathode ray and the whole construction is called cathode ray tube. Electrons are only three main types of particles that make up atoms. Characteristics of electrons. Electrons are negative charged particles. They revolve around the nucleus in various energy levels. They can be excited to higher energy levels by absorbing energy. Mass of electron is 1 by 2000 times of proton by neutron. Electrons are much smaller than protons or neutrons. If an electron were the mass of a penny, a proton or a nucleus would have the mass of a large bowling ball. Discovery of proton. Proton was discovered by Goldstone in 1886. Protons are found in the nucleus in the atom. This is a tiny dense region at the center of the atom. Protons have positive electrically charged of 1 plus 1 and a mass of 1 atomic mass unit AMU, which is about 1.67 into 10 minus 271.67 into 10 minus 27 kilograms. Together with neutrons, they make up virtually all the mass of an atom. The fundamental particle of an atom, which is denoted by symbol P or P positive, it has positive electrons charge of plus 1 electron, elementary charge, a mass, and slight less than that of a neutron. The particles that are positively charged are called protons. A proton usually represents as P. It is changed is positive 1. The number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is equally of the atom number of the atom. Mathematically, number of protons is equal to number of atomic number. For example, the atomic number of krypton Kr atom is 36. Hence, the nucleus, the krypton atom contains 36 protons. Discovery of neutrons. By 1920, the scientists knew the most of the mass of an atom is core of nucleus and its central core called contains proton. However, in 1932, James Chadwick discovered that the core also contains a new uncharged particle. He called it neutron. Neutron can be defined as a subatomic particle of an atom denoted by n or n power 0. It has no net electrical charge and a mass slightly greater than that of proton. For his novel observation, Chadwick was awarded with Nobel Prize in 1937. It is to be noted here that except hydrogen, all atoms contain neutrons. Hydrogen atom contain only proton and electron. What is plum pudding model? The plum pudding model, also known as Thomson plum pudding model, is a historical scientific model of an atom. The plum pudding model is defined by electrons surrounded by volume of positive charge, like negative charge plums, embeddedly in a positive charged pudding, hence the name. The plum pudding model was first proposed by the English physicist Joseph John J.J. Thomson soon after the discovery of the electron, but before the discovery of the atomic nucleus. The model tried to explain two properties of atoms then known, that electrons are negatively charged particles and that atoms have no electrical charge.